Hi, in this video I will be talking about what a vision board is and what you'll need to start creating your own. Hey, what's up? Merlyn Avila here. So I've been using vision boards for about 5 to 6 years now to help attract goals and things I want into my life. Here is a quick look at what my vision board currently looks like. It is still a work in progress, and it usually will be, but it's just so you guys can get an idea of what we will be working with today. Once one of my goals has come into reality, I usually take them down and replace it with a whole new goal. Goals are super important in life, so make sure you are always working towards one. The vision board is a technique in which you are attracting using the law of attraction. For those of you guys who are not familiar with the law of attraction, it is a universal law which states that like attract like. So if you are thinking positive thoughts, you will be attracting all these positive things into your life. And if you are thinking negative thoughts, you will also be attracting those negative things. 98% of people are currently living with a negative state of mind, and they usually sit there and say, I can't get this job, I can't afford to get this. Those are negative thoughts, so make sure you guys get rid of that mentality. When you are using the vision board, you want to make sure that you guys have a lot of faith and that you do believe that all these goals and your dreams will begin to attract to you. And when you know it, honestly, these things will begin to manifest into your life. So make sure you guys always stay positive, always believe in yourselves. The one I got, it's a cork board. Those are the ones that I like to use personally. I got mine from Amazon, but if you can't afford one or you don't have access to one, you can use anything really. As long as you incorporate all your goals and dreams on there, that's really all you need. On your vision board, you want to add your goals, your dreams, and just anything that you'd like to attract into your life. I also like to include motivational quotes and affirmations on mine. Make sure to check out my other video where I break down what affirmations are and how you can begin to implement them into your life. So you can use Google Images, magazine cutouts, newspapers, draw them out, or handwrite them. I like to use a mixture of all of them on mine just to keep it fun, and it actually works for me that way. But you can go ahead and either use one of the techniques or use all of them. If you are looking to lose weight, go ahead and add a picture of the body that you dream of and that you want to look like. If you want a car, go ahead and get a picture of that car and add it onto your board. Add your dream home, your dream job, literally anything that you would like to attract into your life. Go ahead and add it on there. This stuff really works, so it's really important that you are very detailed and add everything on there. Don't be afraid. There are no limitations to this. Remember, the only limitations are literally in your mind, and you are the only person stopping yourself. So go ahead, have fun with it, add everything that you want to attract on there. On your vision board, you want to add your goals, dreams, and anything that you'd like to attract into your life. Goals are super important in life, so make sure that you always are working towards at least one goal in your life. Finally, make sure that you guys place your vision board somewhere where you will be looking at it as often as possible. I have mine in my bedroom, but you can place yours in your kitchen, your living room, anywhere really where you will be looking at it as often as possible. In that way, it begins to seep into your subconscious mind, and it is how all these things begin to manifest. So start your vision board today, have fun with it, include everything on there, and don't be afraid. Make sure you believe, have faith, and this thing will come to life. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if the information you found in this video is helpful.